Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's having a great day. So today, I'm going to show you how to replace this ugly door lock pin. Comes factory on most cars. Looks like a toothpick. Just doesn't look nice. So today I'll show you how to take that out and put in a nice shiny one. Alright. Okay guys, so what you got to do is you actually just got to twist this out counterclockwise. Easiest to grab it at the tip. And just keep twisting it. And this obviously will take some time, but this is the process. And once you get towards the top at the end, it gets a lot easier. As you can see, now I'm getting to move it easier. I got a better grip. I don't recommend using pliers or something because then you could mess up this factory one in case you want to use it later, or maybe even strip the cheap plastic on the bolt inside. So just use your fingertips. Be patient, my friends. Be patient. Okay guys, now you got off the pin. You can see you got the bolt thread right there, the tip. It's all you need. So take your nice new shiny pin lock. I got me a nice chrome one. Got a little piston top, looks a little old school muscle like for the Mustang. But again, you get chrome, white, black, red, white. You get dice to get nice, whatever you want to accent your car. So you just pop it on the tip, push down a little bit, and then you're just going to turn it. And this time we're going clockwise. And it's a lot easier to grip, so it goes on a lot quicker than obviously the original took getting off. See, that's already on. It's already tight, already looking nice. Do a little test. So it's lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Well, you get the idea. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed my YouTube video and it helped you on how to replace your old door lock pins, real simple procedure. As long as your car's threads come off the same, should go on just as easy. So I'll put a link in the description where you can purchase them on Amazon. Please use my links. I would appreciate it. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below. Subscribe to my YouTube page if you haven't already, Alright, so have a great day, great night, and an incredible week. Alright.